Okay, so how to pump or put air to your basketball ball, and yeah, let's just start it. So in order to put air on your basketball ball, you have your own pump like this, or way bigger if you're like the older pump air. So in order to pump your ball, you're gonna put this on here. You put it on here like that, and you're gonna pump it. Okay, so it's so hard to put on here, so you're gonna peel it like that and that, and yeah, so that's how you're gonna put air on your basketball ball. And very straightforward anyway.